In this video, we're going to show you how to back up your work in Davinci Resolve. Hey guys, AJaytheCEO here. If you're new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So Davinci Resolve is one of my favorite video editors, just because how powerful it is, all the features that you have, as well as it's free. I use that for a lot of my content, for clients, for church, just all around for any type of video editing projects that I work on. And one thing with this program, it's not like regular programs where you make a project and you save that one file. The way Davinci Resolve works is you have a database, which is a collection of all your projects. So you can separate your projects into different businesses or different folders or databases. So if we cut over here to my screen, so in here I have my Davinci Resolve set up in multiple databases, for here for my YouTube channel, here for my church, here for when I record sporting events at schools, here for my video game channel, and here for my client work. So inside of here you can see that there are multiple documents inside this database, and you can store as many and organize it in any way, shape, or form that you want to. And it's really simple to back this up, and I would highly recommend that you do this as well. All you have to do is pick the database that you want. Now this will work if you have this as a disk file or as a database, and that's two different ways that you can actually save your set up your database in Davinci Resolve. But anyway, all you do is pick the database that you want, click on this backup button, and then you just pick the location and hit save, and that's it. And I've actually already backed this up maybe about an hour ago. So you let this run, a little black screen opens up here, and any SQL people out there, is pretty much just running like a regular SQL backup. Y'all know the commands and all this other stuff, but that's not something you really need to do. But I mean, you can back it up that way, and you literally just go through, and that's it. And to restore those databases the exact same way, let me pick on one. I'll pick this one. So let's go ahead and back it up. And that was a small one, so let's go ahead and now couldn't see the message here. All right, so let's go in here and just disconnect it or remove it, either same thing. And if you want to bring it back, click on this one here to the restore. And so you just type in the name, and all of mine had a 2 on it because I backed up my other stuff to a different name. So we'll go ahead and restore that. Little black box popped up over here, running all our wonderful stuff. And boom, now our database is back restored with all the files that we had in place. Really simple. So just make sure it's a really simple process to do, and just as easily you could always come in here to make a new database. You can do new, and this is where you can pick between a disk where it's actually saved on your hard drive somewhere, or an actual database. So that's where you can do it. And again, when you restore, you can't restore a SQL database to a disk or a disk to SQL. All right, so really straightforward. I hope that helps. Just make sure, just like any work that you do, make sure you back up your stuff frequently. And again, databases are pretty redundant, so you don't really have to do it. But for me personally, I back my stuff up at least once every 6 months if I have a lot of projects, or bare minimum at least once a year, just in case, because you don't want to lose that amount of work. So I hope that helped, guys. Really simple. If you found this video helpful, appreciate a like, consider subscribing and hit that bell notification. That way you get notified when we come up with new videos. This is AJ, and we will see you on the next video. Later.